the staff here is wonderful. The staff is very keen to help you and gives you good service.
Shashank was really good. I actually was surprised, with the knowledge which he has about the birds and the flora and the fauna around. It was quite amazing. I would say I'm already planning for my next trip with him, and so probably in summer.
Well, we were driving along when suddenly the guide stopped and he said, "Abhi reverse karo." So we reversed a bit, and there was this huge bear sitting next to a clump of bamboo. And he just looked like a humongous teddy bear, big black fella, and of course very shy. The moment we had reversed to look at him more clearly, he got up and tried to hide further inside the bamboo clump. Then the guide said to us, "Let's move ahead to the end of the road and we'll see him crossing," which we did. And sure enough, he crossed over. And that to me, normally you go looking for tigers. But watching this bear and his behavior at such close quarters, to me was a highlight.
Never had such an experience. It was just unbelievable. That same evening, I told Shashank that though we spotted a tiger, but then I just thought, have we actually done that? Is that off my bucket list? Finally.
One of the things that I do when I travel sometimes is write silly limericks about the places that we visited. And since we're here at Tadoba, here goes. Tadoba Andhari's a must. There's plenty to see, we trust. There's tiger and bear, there's bamboo everywhere. We return with red hair full of dust. This park is a hell of a place. We took cameras just in case. We saw something neat, we jumped to our feet. Around and around we would race. We've traveled around for years, a bit less as our own old age nears. With no showers we stink, we eat and we drink. Whiskey, water, and beers. To see everything we try, the animals, plants, and the sky. They're bright and they're bold, we're hot and we're cold. We thaw as the days go by. We were lucky to hear a cat speak, yet we got not even a peek. The tiger, you see, is slyer than we at this game where she hides and we seek. Shanks was a very good host. With info, he is the most. The trouble for me, as we come to fini, is that we have been chasing a ghost. Thank you.
When I was young, my slippers were red. I could kick up my heels right over my head. When I was older, my slippers were blue, but still I could dance the whole